Lesson 3, Class 7, Data Handling, Statics. Now, first is what is the statics? Now, statics is a branch of the mathematics which concerns the collection of analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data. So, data can be presented with the help of table, graph, etc. are using in the data handling. Now, first is what is the data? So, data means, for example, this is the marks of the following students given of the science test score by the following students in a class. Now first you the collection of particular information in the form of numerical figure is called data. जब हम किसी इंफॉर्मेशन को कलेक्ट करते हैं और उस इंफॉर्मेशन को हम न्यूमेरिकल फॉर्म में कलेक्ट करते हैं, कलेक्ट द इंफॉर्मेशन इन न्यूमेरिकल फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड जस्ट एंड अरेंज द फॉलोइंग न्यूमेरिकल फिगर on a set is called data. So set of data obtained by the original form is called set of raw. This is called ungrouped data, and each numerical figure is the set of data is called observation of the data. Number next, array. Array means arranging the numerical figure of a set of a data in ascending or descending order is called array. Array is just like suppose you collect the following data. So this data are collected by the source of following information, but this data are not be arranged in ascending and descending order. So first you arrange the following data in ascending and descending order. So arrangement of the data in ascending and descending order, it is called array of the data. Yeah, it is called arrangement of the data. Number next, range. What is the range? Range means the difference between the highest value and the lowest value in the following information. Now difference between highest and lowest value of the observation a given set of data, this is called range. For example, the highest marks is 25 and lowest marks is 26. So what is the difference between the highest marks and lowest marks? So 25 minus 26 is equal to 1. Number next, the frequency distribution table. So this is a score of the following marks, tally marks and frequency. Tally marks counting the score, how many times the scores are come, and frequency, what is the frequency? Frequency means the numbers of time particular observations are occur. जो डाटा कितनी बार आ रखा है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? फ्रीक्वेंसी बोलते हैं. Tally marks counting the frequency, and this is so the tally marks 1 and 2. Suppose you show 5, so 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is called a tally marks, and this is a frequency distribution table. For example, 25 marks, how many students are score 25 marks? 2. Tally marks 1 2. 26 tally marks 3, frequency is 3. So this is example of the frequency distribution table. Number next and important is mean. Mean, also called the arithmetic mean, is the same like the average in the arithmetic. So arithmetic mean is equal to sum of observation upon total number of observation. Yeah, average sum of observation upon total number of observation. The x bar are so the arithmetic mean. So x bar is equal to arithmetic mean. So arithmetic means a formula, sum of observation upon total number of observation. Using the formula and find out the arithmetic mean in exercise number 3.1.